Like, share, and subscribe to Lee Bang Outdoor Cooking. In Jamaica and around the world. Like, share, subscribe to Lee Bang Outdoor Cooking. Yeah, man. Love and live, man. Give thanks to Lee Bang Outdoor, man. Love and live Jamaica and a fight and one either. Yeah, man. So, me there, you know. Yeah, man. Me there. You know, me I go. Big up me viewer, me subscriber them. You know that. No, this is this discipline. You know, blessing, man. I love, man. You know. Yeah, man. Me there, you know, and come say me I pick some, you know. Nice as some boy. See it, pick some off of a tree. Yeah, man. Me give me old lady them so some boy. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See it's a some tree there. Yeah, man. They have to pick the young one them people. See it? The young one them. See blossom them there. Yeah. I know. The young one them you have to pick. Yeah. So that to the pan now. Susumba. See Yeah, man. This is somebody, Jamaica Susumba, you see? But then all them time they have to pick them when they're young, you know? Yeah, man. So we're there in the garden and go on do something as we say, pick up the Susumba. So, yeah, man, stay tuned, yeah? Love and live, no fight no one either. Yeah, my people, Lee Bang Outdoor, man. Give thanks to everything, man, you know? Love and live Jamaica, you know? There, man. I'm showing up with Susumba already, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. Showing us some herbs and some plants, you know? Alright, see this here. Yeah, man, this is this good cold bush. This can drink, my people. Yeah, man, this can drink. Yeah, man, I tasted that. Come on, see it. Look there when it. You see it bring some yellow blossom on it, and them something I would choke here. Yeah, man, them there we choke here. Yeah, man. But that bush here, say my people, is good for cool. Yeah, man. Carry on through some bush, that one is good for cool. You need tissue. Yeah, man. Alright. Left from the tissue to the time. I call this, I want time this, you know. See it? Time. Yeah, man, I time this. Yeah, man. Next time again and again. Yeah, man, same time. Yeah. Same one that. One that one I know. Different time this. Yeah. Different from this one. Yeah, man, so we can get a look on the time. Yeah. So we have the rosemary right here, so. Yeah, man, the rosemary. Yeah, man, the rosemary there. Yeah, man, see rosemary. Yeah. Yeah, man, over there, go and look at cooking too, you know. I'm showing you some little cooking over there, go and see me. Yeah, man, me and the old man, because I know me check the old man sometime, you know. Yeah, man, the old man, that's it. We deal with it outside. See him there? Yeah, man. Big up Mr. Clary,
yeah,
you know.
Man, gas done and we have to use coal.
Yeah, man. So when gas done,
we use the coal till the gas come.
Alright, yeah, see? Look how we do it. See it there? We cook food and live. Yeah, man, not fight to one another. And be hypocrite and chat to we don't know. Cook food and live. And live, you know? Yeah, man, I say, come on, we have to check all, man, and all our vibes with them, you know? Yeah, man, and all our vibes in the garden and, you know? Yeah. Sure, alright, reach our skeleton, you know? See it? See skeleton, reach our skeleton, you know? Yeah, nice skeleton, man. I plan to plant them, you know, my people. Skeleton, them, yeah. I want to buy a market. Yeah, man, we leave bang using in the kitchen. See, me showing you a good old time again. Yeah, man, a good old time again. Yeah, man. Right time. Guinea and weed this. See it, yeah?
Yeah,
You Guinea and weed there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I have some know them, man. I tell that. Showing some herbs and bush, man. Guinea and weed that. Yeah, man. Good old gongo them. I see how them pretty on the tree, yeah? All the blossom them and everything. Good old gongo. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. A good old gongo peas. Yeah. Are they grape this? See the grape here, my people. Yeah, man, we are showing you the grape, you know. See harbor, yeah. Grape harbor. Sun out and the breeze. Yeah, man, making a green up some more. Yeah, man, see grape here, the harbor this. Yeah. Yeah, man, grape this. Huh? Yeah, man, yeah, man, the grape lemon. Old man is showing us a piece, yeah, man. And we then call that one aloe. Tuna. Aloe vera family. Yeah, aloe vera family, this is my people. Tuna. Can wash here. Wash here all of them things there, you know? Yeah, man. You bang out door, man. I'm down in the bush a showing something, you know? Yeah, man. I broke piece of turpentine. See it there? Turpentine. I use a piece in the kitchen, you know? I then call it oregano. Turpentine, some of them call them French thyme. See it there, my people? Yeah. Oregano and call it French thyme. Yeah. Pepper them, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, I pepper tree, then you good at pepper. See dark blood of my people. Yeah, man, I dark blood this. Yeah, man. See dark blood, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we're there. Down in here to show now what go on. Whole heap of turpentine down here, so. Enough oregano. Whole heap of them down here, my people. Yeah, man. So we're there and show you some bush and thing, man. Just stay tuned and love one another, yeah? Yeah, man. And this can boil in soup to my people. And boil tea. Soup and tea can boil. French time, then call it oregano, alright? Yeah, man. I'm gonna see it. Smell good and strong. Alright? We're there, man. Yeah, man. And show you how I go. I call this leaf alive, you know? Tree alive, leaf alive. Yeah, man. This can drink to my people. Yeah, man. This is good for cold. Can drink. Yeah, man. I show enough bush I can drink to, you know. Yeah, man. Leaf alive, you know. Some call it love, but no. Leaf alive. A tree alive. Yeah. Yeah, man. I like that. Potato them, I look like dry with a catch them, to sit and yam them up there. I like a papa tree down there, so too. And yam them up, you know. Potato them there. Sit and yam them up, my people. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, see the great vervine too. See it? It bloom purple. See it there? It bloom purple, my people. Vervine. And drink up your vervine too. I'm showing you the tree alive you can drink, you know? Yeah, man, already, man. Yeah, man. Showing a couple bush already now you can drink, you know? Yeah, man. Showing you rosemary too. I know I'm showing you vervine, I'm showing you tree alive. Alright, I'm showing you tissue. Yeah, man, follow me, man. bush name broomweed. See it? We usually use it sweep yard first time, my people. See it? Broomweed the name. I'm gonna look on it good. See it? We usually use it sweep yard. First time. I know Tyrone, I remember them thing I'm a boy and trying it. Yeah, I usually use them thing sweep yard. Alright? We call them broomweed. Yeah, that's how we call them. Smell chung. Yeah man, broomweed. See bean them there. Bean them there too. Young bean up on tree. Come on, young bean. Come on, I'll dry one up there to look like. Yeah. So the bean I run up. Yeah man. Somebody dig out them potato already, see it? Somebody dig them already, my people. Yeah, see it? Then one and also something there, see it, look. Look, see it? Cover up them, then go and swell up some more. Yeah. But somebody, you know, so one lick one of this name did ready yet. I don't know how it look like somebody drop that potato field already, my people. Yeah man, somebody a match it already. Yeah. Yeah man. Yeah man, see. Papa tree there. You know Papa can't eat. That's some there on there. Bean run on the Papa tree too. Yeah man. See there. Papa tree and the bean. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my people, man. Yeah. So we take time, you know, and I go and see it. You have tomato here, so. Yeah, tomato there, so. Yeah, man, you know, say tomato can't eat. You don't know that. Tomato. Yeah, man, see tomato here again. Yeah. I know tomato can't eat. They are tracky field, see me. And cassava this, you know, but see it just a come up back. And cassava. Yeah man. Potato there beside it, same speed. Yeah. Spanish needle, rabbit eat this. Spanish needle. Yeah, my people, man. See it, yeah? Pine. You know, say enough we love eat pine, you know. Yeah, man, enough we love eat pine. Eat pine and clean on a dirty mind. Love and live Jamaica. We there go and track some herbs and vegetables, you know. Make us see what I go on, you know. So we say they eat the pine and clear them dirty mind. Yeah, man. Love and live. We are try the bush here. Yeah, Jamaica blessing and around the road. Well, now look for the old jog on them. Yeah, man, I old jog on them, man. Old Croton. You want to see mint, you know. Some mint, you know. Good for boiled tea. Yeah, man. See, Lee Bang a pick piece. Yeah, man, pick piece, I mean. Good for boiled tea, my people. Versal when they put that mint off here, you know. You make it dry. Wow. Then time they make tea nice. Original mint this for people. Yeah, original. Yeah. And call a tree a redwood tree. Yeah, this is the only tree we not climb and we look at my people. See it a redwood tree then call it. See it set there. Redwood tree. You not climb them a tree. Yeah. These tree them there. A blossom. Yeah, man. So across the city there too, you know, my people. Yeah, man. So across the city there. It's a boat in the water, there was a ship. Come on, the ship in the water there. Down there look festive. So down there's a vehicle I run on the road. Down on the ferry. Yeah. Yeah man, so we're there man. Gonna see what I go on. Aki done, you see it? Aki tree, Aki done. Alright. Reach tree, mango tree. Call this a Julie tree, you know, chocho with there. Right there, so when I chocho them, yeah. I believe you're ready yet, you know. Remember the last time I come here, we had that chocho tree. See, it's thin them, man. Them not that the Julie them, man. Them are not ready yet. We don't eat Julie, we eat mango. Come on, see chocho them there. Them are come. Come on, see chocho them now, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I see all the white one them people. I'm show you green chocho. The white one there. I'm on a yab, I'm on a white one that. Yeah, I'm showing you green one already. See that? Yeah. Yeah man, chocho, you know we eat chocho, cherry tree. Nothing up on the cherry tree, my people. Not that thing up on the cherry tree, see? And nothing on the guinea tree. Everybody get up tree. Yeah. So what's up? I go see what I go on with so what's up. Wow, them they young. Couple up on there, but them they young, my people. See them there? Them they young, man. Them they young. Them they not ready yet. Coconut here. See the coconut and banana down there, son. And the coconut tree. Yeah. Apple tree there beside it. See the apple there beside it. Yeah man. Real apple there. No apple on the pan in either. Yeah. I done showing the dog blood already. See man. Yeah man, showing the dog blood. No man don't know it. Yeah man, I see it. Showing us. See some up on the tree, so one ripe on there. Papa. Green one and ripe on. Yeah man. Green one and ripe on. See that? One papa there. One and ripe on, yeah. Yeah man. Yeah my people man, so showing you what I go on in the vineyard, you know. You see me? Come back out of the vineyard, you know. Showing you the papa and everything, the people, so. Yeah man, just go on. See you too and I love you one another man. And like, share and subscribe man. You know, so leave out cooking on, you know. I know so we in the vineyard. I would have shown you. The white chocho. Alright? See it, I've shown you the white chocho. And the green chocho. Alright? So live good Jamaica people around the world man. Cook food and live man. I leave bang outdoor.